What's up, everybody? Black Dragonrider here. It is Friday morning, and I'm heading to do a course again. Doing a course again, and I'm on my way there now. I don't know if you guys remember that I told you a story when I did a course of doing a forklift, course. So I'm probably doing a forklift course again because I heard that it was going to be a job out of it. So I said to myself, you know what, I'm going to just do it and hope that I'll get a job out of it. So we will see. We will see if I'll get a job out of it. Well, it's kind of funny because that course that I did to do my forklift test, and that it didn't happen in 2011, and it was the same place that what job centre put me in, and also messed it up. So it's the same test centre that I did it at, and it was the same guy that was that I'm going to do it with, but he's not going to be there this time, so this is going to be alright. It will be funny to see the same people again, because it's actually kind of funny. I remember when I did this course and I met some people there that was in the same situation as me, trying to get a job and trying to get this training so we can get into a job. Apparently job centre messed up some few papers or something like that, and none of us couldn't proceed. So let's push on to 2000, I think, was it 13? Was it 13? So I think it was 2013, 13 or 12. So in 2013 I did a warehouse course, and funny enough it was the same people that I did the forklift course for, and I mentioned about the forklift, and they all went nope, they didn't got back out, didn't got in touch with us, and I was like, wow, okay. So we did the warehouse course and passed, and then after that we got a job. We was working at DHL, and technically people at DHL informed that we're just treating us workers like shit, like really bad. So people left that job because they were not get treated like that. I stayed to the point where I just finished working there. After that, in 2014, I did a course of network rail, sorry, and guess what? It was the same people. I did a course in 2011 and 2013. Wow! What a coincidence! Obviously, I completed that course. When I was doing the course, it wasn't for me. I was getting sick, like getting ill. I was getting ill all the time, and I said to the guy, I don't think this job is for me because I'm just getting ill, and also I got asthma. Well, I said that at the middle of the course, and he just says, listen, just complete the course, and at least that you got that under your belt. And I said, okay, and I did that. I think that's pretty much it, really. But it's not going to happen again. I won't see the same people again, because that's just getting ridiculous. Same people in the same situation as me, trying to get a job. No, because if I did see them again, it's gonna be really bad that I see the same people again. I'm just gonna be like, yeah, you know what, I think this is actually getting really bad, because this is like what, 4th time that I see you guys. Yeah, it will be really bad if that did happen, seeing them again. I mean, there's nothing wrong seeing them again. It's just the fact that it's just bad, you know, to see the same people again who's in the same situation as me. It's just struggling, and I'm like saying to myself, oh, I'm not the only one who's actually struggling. I'm happy. Oh my god, it is freezing. Why does always a course always have to be somewhere in October? Why can it never be like somewhere in the summer? Jesus, I should like invest in heated grips, but the only thing I'm a bit concerned about the heated grip is that I forget to turn it off unless you buy the top of the range heated grips, or I can pay someone to wire up to the ignition. Then that would be fantastic, but I'm not good at wiring, so something of me saying no. No. Oh my gosh, it's freezing. My hand is actually totally freezing. It is unbelievable. Oh gosh, I don't like it when there's courses always like in October in this. You can bloody see it's freaking cold. But the course is gonna end like in November. Was it November 7th, I think? So yeah, it's good, but I think I'm gonna fly through it because I do have the knowledge of driving the forklift. So other people, well, actually it actually depends on other people's how they get the grasp of it. So if they do manage to whiz past this, then I'll be freaking good. Oh gosh. Ugh. Well, I will speak to you guys in a bit. I'm almost there at my destination. In fact, I will end this video anyway, because I've got another subject to talk about, but I'll wait, of course, to end it. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a like. Yes, give this video a like. Don't forget to share and comment and subscribe. And I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye.
You've been acting like a stranger. Said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come right.